Hi guys, I am Isha Rose and I have created this video to promote author Aisha Shah. Aisha is the author, inspirational speaker and writer. She has completed her graduation from the one of the best universities at United States. She is author, inspirational speaker, publisher and writer. Till now she has created 8 book titles of her books which are following: Fashion Diaries, Fashionista, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, Mindfulness and Stress Relief, Be a Dreamer, Confidence Produces Strength, Positive Affirmations, The Magic of Thinking Big, Give Rise to Faith, and Precious Daily Insights. You will find all of her titles on Amazon.com website by searching Aisha Shah. The spell is ASHAH, and my today's broadcast is all about create positive difference in the world. Guys, it's about author Aisha Shah's second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, which targets each and every age group of the people, and I'm providing short review of her second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me. August 21. On the road from the city of doubts, I had to pass through the valley of enigma. Great ambition, the desire of real superiority, of leading and directing seems to be altogether peculiar to man, and speech is the great instrument of ambition. Defense is superior to opulence. Expenditure is the sole end and purpose of all expenditure, and the interest of the expenditure ought to be attended to only so far as it may be necessary for promoting that of the expenditure. Resentment seems to have been given us by nature for a defense only. August 22. Resentment is a protection of a righteousness, and the certainty of innocence. Happiness never lays its finger on its pulse. Perfection can be added to the happiness of a man who is in health, out of debt, and has a clear conscience. You should not feel more or much for others or empathize them and feel little for yourself. You should restrain your selfishness and exercise your benevolent affections. Constitute the perfection of human nature. The imagination is baffled by facts. August 23. A wedding anniversary is the celebration. It is a celebration of affection, belief, cooperation, sufferance, and determination. The real act of marriage takes place in the heart, not in the ballroom or a church or a synagogue. Love is the master key that opens the gates of happiness, of hatred, of jealousy, and most easily of all, the gate of fear. A wedding is a funeral, and in wedding, you can smell your own choices and prize trophy. The trouble with wedlock is that there is not much enough weight and too much luck. August 24. I love myself, I do. I love the best as well as the worst. I love my crazy little lifestyle, and I love my hard discipline. I love my freedom of speech and the way my eyes get dark when I am tired. I love that I have learned to trust people. I have trusted people. I have been broken because of putting too much trust on them. I am proud of everything that I am and will become. August 25. I believe in myself. You must keep your faith. You keep your trust. You must keep the right attitude. You must be grateful. You will find new doors, opportunities through positive behavior. I truly believe that everything that we do and everyone that we meet is put in our path for a purpose. There are no accidents. You must not care less. with the truth in small matters, because if you are careless, then you cannot be trusted. You cannot be trusted with an important matter. In finding love, I think it's important to be in patience and find new opportunities. Okay, guys, I know nothing of author Aisha Shah. Each and every copyrights are under her authority. I purchased her 8 book titles, read it, and inspired my life. And I wanted you guys to do not miss out on reading these beautiful books. You guys will love it. For more info, check link below. See ya, guys. Take care. I love you all. Have a great moment of your life. May God bless you all. Amen.